everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest stitch fix. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks hanging out with me today right now. Right now, they're off exploring, but they're here. Well, Loki is the white puppy dog, and Dexter is the beagle, and Willie is the Jack Russell. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, stitch fix. I think we all know what it is. Styling service. Used to be get 5 items, keep all, 25% off, $20 styling fee unless you have the style pass, all the things. Now you can get more items. You can sign up for up to 8. And I love that because you have a better chance of getting to the discount, right? And they have the freestyle, they have the preview, they have so many things. So many things. So Stitch Fix has really been getting so much better. I think I have another new stylist, so I have to note that I think I want, well, we'll see how this goes before I choose. Yes, I do. I have Caitlin is my stylist today, and this is my 168th fix. And let's see how she did. I believe I did pick a few items from the preview. You get a 1-sheeter that has pricing, your items, and a quick note from your stylist. You get a return envelope for anything that doesn't work. What does this say? Even easier returns. You can choose your shipping options now, and you can track your returns. Okay? And what else? Which means that I have multiple return labels, it appears. Okay. Let's get to my bundle. Oh, and things are falling out. It's such a big bundle now. Things are falling out. All right, let's start with the stuff that fell right out of the bundle. So first up is AFRM Nissa lace trim midi dress. I did pick this from the preview. I actually had it in my wish list. You can wish list items as well. And I actually saw it, liked it, and had it in my wish list. It's such a pretty little slip dress. Check this out. So it has the lace around the top, adjustable straps, and then it's all meshy down to the bottom, which also has the lace trim, and it is lined. How cute is that? That's adorable. Okay, then we have the Michael Stars Nico Polo tee. This one's in navy. That's cute. Perfect for those work from home days, right? It's ribbed. It's comfy. It's very soft. Another Michael Stars. This one is the Hailey wide binding knit tank. Has the little ruching on the side. I love a green. Something you can wear all year round. That's cute. Okay, then I have another top. There's so many pieces. This is the Intimately by Free People Only You tank top. And Loki sees something. Hey Loki, why don't you come up here, buddy? Look how cute that is. All right. Now we're going to get into items in the bundle. So first up is the Cadence Pleated Knit Mini Dress by English Factory. So it's basically like an A-line pleated sweater dress. Okay. Then we have, looks like another dress. Yeah, another dress. This one is by Moda, the Calypso dress. Moda. Goes this way. It's got all the smocking, stretchy straps, tiered pockets. Looks like, yep. No. Yes, no, yes. There we go, I found them. All right. Shorts. These are by Daze. They are the Sundaze short, high-rise, long short in light blue. Those are cute. Needs a little bit of stretch. A little bit. And the last item is Paige. I did pick these from the preview. They're the Anessa wide leg ankle. These have a lot of stretch. These are really nice. Yeah, I like those. All right. I think this is going to be a fun try on. Let's do it. First up, I have on the English Factory dress. So this one is pleated. It is very roomy here at the bottom, so you can see it flows out from the body, but it does create a nice waist for you. It's in this very nice green color. The neck is a little high for me. I keep wanting to pull it down so you can see it's hitting, like I need at least like a couple fingers. So it's touching that front of my neck. It's going to make me crazy, so I probably won't be able to keep it. It does come in on the sides. It is really pretty though, very adorable. Lots of room and motion. It does move away from the body, so for those hot days, this would be a really great option. I think it's cute. All right, so the English Factory Cadence pleated knit mini dress in green. I'm wearing an extra small, $62.97. So the price point is pretty good if you guys like it. I think it is a pretty dress, but I can't do the neck. Just can't. Next outfit. Okay, so now I have on the Michael Stars tank, the Daze denim shorts. Of course, I love shorts that give you plenty of room on the widest part of your leg. These are a nice length. They have stretch. They are hitting me right at my belly button. A light wash. So cute. And then we have the Michael Stars tank. You probably have seen these before. I love these. I wear them all year round under blazers and by themselves. They have the ruching. This one has the ruching here on the side. Nice fit. Very comfortable. All right, so for the Michael Stars, Hailey wide binding knit tank, and all of them wearing an extra small, $68. And then the Daze denim Sundaze short, I'm wearing a 2, $78. Next up, now I have on the Paige denim and the Free People tank. So Harvey's decided to come out. He's poor Harvey can't get a break because everyone's just following him everywhere. And there's 3 of them and 1 of him, so it can be very overwhelming to him. I think he didn't realize they were all out here. All right, so the Paige denim, behave you. I love these. They're very comfortable. They have stretch. Paige is a premium brand if you haven't tried them. The fit is amazing. They're made, you know, by a woman for a woman, so they're just an amazing branded jean. They hit me right at the top of my foot, I guess. They have stretch. They're also a lighter wash. I really like these. And then the tank. So I have a blue bralette on today, so please ignore that. But I'm loving like the lace here. This is really pretty. With the, I think this is black trim running through here. It's super cute. I like it. And then my stylist suggested pairing the little polo shirt over top of it. So let's see what that looks like. All right, so this polo shirt is so nice, soft, yummy, good. Really, really feels great on. It does have ribbing through it. It's nice as a little collared shirt if you want to make sure you had sleeves on for a work from home meeting. You can see a little bit of that lace, which is really pretty. Whether it's black or blue, it's going, so it works. I did a front tuck. And I think this whole outfit is cute. Pair with gold sandals. You're set to go. Adorable. All right, so for the Michael Stars Nico Polo tee, I'm wearing an extra small in navy, $98. For the Intimately by Free People Only You tank top and off-white, I'm wearing an extra small, $38. For the Paige Anessa wide leg jean, I'm wearing a 2, $249. We'll keep going. Next outfit. All right, now I have on the dress. How pretty is this dress? I like it so much more than I thought. All the smocking at the top, square neck, little ruffle sleeve. The blue and white is really pretty with the tiers. It is midi length. Pockets. So pretty. What do you guys think of this one? Be great as wedding guest, patio parties, right? So, so pretty. All right, so this one is the Moda Calypso dress. I'm wearing an extra small and it is $98. We're down to the last dress. Final outfit, the AFRM dress. This one is so, so pretty. So it has this mesh layer over this little slip dress. You can see the laces on the slip dress, which I'm loving. It does have some movement to it. I do think I need to size up in this dress, but I'm really loving it. Check out all the lace, all the movement. You can wear this with heels for date night. There's Harv, and he's ready to go inside. All right, so what do you guys think of this one? I'm loving the lace trim. If the next size up is available, I think I would like to give it a try. Really, really pretty dress. Yeah, I do love this as a date night dress, but you could easily put flip-flops on and wear this for a comfy, add a jean jacket, and you're still going to be really put together nicely. So this one is the Nissa lace trim midi dress. I'm wearing an extra small and it is $98. All right, let's talk about these pieces. For all 8 pieces, $789.97. If you buy 5 or more, 25% off, which would bring it down to $592.48 for all 8 pieces. I don't do the styling fee. I have the style pass, so I don't need to worry about that. What do you want to do, buddy? All right, let's talk about them. The dress, I already mentioned, I really would like to try this in the next size up. It's a little tight up here, a little tight through my hips, so I would like to get it a little bit more relaxed and give it another try. This little top by Free People I thought was cute. I don't know that I need it. It's like the tissue thin. So this one would only be, it's only $38. So if I needed to get to 5 items, this would be a great fifth because it's just a nice basic. But otherwise, I think I'm going to return it. The Paige pants, yes ma'am. I really do want these and I would like to get to 5 items to get 25% off of them because that will make a really big difference. The little polo I thought was really great. It's just a nice little basic. You can kind of wear that all seasons, like layer it in the winter, right? It's just a super cute top. The same with the tank, just a great basic in this olive color. I see you're rearranging the pillows again and you're eating them, aren't you, bud? Stop eating the pillows. Good boy, stop eating the pillows. Then the Daze shorts, yes, to a cute cutoff. And then the dress is a no. Just because of the neck. Otherwise, I thought it was beautiful. So I think I'm at 5 items. If we do the shorts, 1, we do the tank, 2, we do this, 3. Yes, I don't do this. I do this 4. And if I can exchange this for 5, I would be at 5 items. I'll list all these down below in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist. I'll put my link to Stitch Fix down below as well in case you'd like to give this service a try. Like I said, I really think they've been doing an amazing job. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody. I almost forgot about the blue Calypso dress. What about this one? Is this a 6th item, or do I trade it out for one of the others? Let me know down below.